On this episode of Clever Clips, we're going to talk about the XTAC Clip. The XTAC Clip is a cross-tee attachment clip to a main that allows you to attach a cross-tee anywhere on a main without a route hole. It is a heavy-duty clip that is used to reinforce a grid system or to move that. When you have an XTAC clip on a cross-tee, it registers directly under the bulb of the grid, and it would intersect where there is no route, and then you would screw those into place just like this, the XTAC. Also note that it will help you reinforce heavier duty ceiling systems like wood or grill, or maybe specialty ceilings where you have heavier products. The XTAC is also part of our fast ship. So take a look at this, a great solution to move a tee anywhere you need it and or reinforce grid. XTAC, part of our Clever Clips.